Hey guys, Frankie here. What's happening? Okay, so today is a pretty sad day for me because we might have to say goodbye to a very good platform. It's been my best platform this year by far, as you can see. I mean, it's not even about how much I've made because I don't really care about that. It's about basically potentially saying goodbye to 3x Capital. And if you've been living under a rock over the last 3 or 4 days, what's happening is 3XC made a mistake. One of the traders logged into BitMEX. BitMEX is a trading platform, and they logged into BitMEX from a USA VPN, so from an American VPN. And as you know, or as you may not know, you're not allowed to trade on BitMEX if you are from the United States. So seeing that, BitMEX locked 3XC accounts, and now apparently they've submitted documents and they're waiting for those documents to be approved by 3X, by BitMEX. And once the documents are approved, they think they're going to be able to unlock the funds. But the thing is, the reason why it's so disappointing is because we haven't had any communication whatsoever from Leon, and Leon has been someone that basically has been so good in communicating about everything, about responding emails, about responding queries, about doing everything, that basically people in 3XC feel like they've been betrayed, really. And if you look at the chat over the last 3 or 4 days, I mean, it's a lot of negative comments, which I can understand. Because people are, they feel betrayed. I mean, the BitMEX issue is one thing, and that's understandable. I mean, I understand why or how they could have made such a big mistake. But what I don't understand is how come Leon, the CEO or the leader of this company, is keeping so quiet about it. I mean, he should say something. He should come out and say, okay guys, we made a mistake, we're trying to fix it, blah blah blah. But instead it's guys like Water Trooper, guys like the other admins, Smeagol, or there's also another guy called Peter. Those guys are the guys doing all the work and trying to extinguish that fire. And that's not fair on them. That's not fair on Water Trooper. That's not fair on Smeagol. That's not fair on all those guys playing admins here without any help from Leon. And so Leon, I mean, if you're watching me, if you hear me from wherever you are, you've done so freaking well over the last 3 months. You've been such a great help for the community, for everyone, that now we don't really understand why you had to disappear. I mean, we understand the BitMEX issue, but just talk to us, say something. And it goes to say that, I mean, unfortunately, after a while, it confirms the theory according to which, I mean, when you invest into a crypto platform, you have a shelf life, and after a few months or after a while, they tend to disappear. And the riskier they are, the more dangerous it is. And I mean, I've made money in that, and people under me I've made some money as well. But it's so disappointing for all these people that have put their hard-earned money, and who, I don't know, they've kept investing as well. So I mean, it's very disappointing, and I'm the first to blame myself for that, because basically I thought that this platform, even though I keep telling people get in early, be careful, and I've made my money, but I feel like, I don't know, I could have been more careful about it, because eventually it just decided to blow up on all of us. So nothing surprising here, because again, it's a crypto platform, and we know the risk we're getting ourselves in. And again, I've made my money, and people under me have made their money as well. But it's just so sad to all this work done by Leon being diminished to pretty much nothing because now it's not communicating properly. So Leon, I don't know, maybe you're gonna prove me wrong and you're gonna reappear tomorrow in 2 days time and prove us all wrong. But I mean, so far we have to assume, guys, that 3XC is on its way to die. And if they prove me wrong, so be it. I'll be like, okay, cool, I was wrong, and you know, but at this particular stage, we have no way of knowing whether or not BitMEX is going to unlock 3XC capital fund, and that's yeah, that's pretty sad. So that's my update, and you know, we'll wait a few more days for Leon, for BitMEX to get back to us. But yeah, that's the situation. If you've been waiting on an update from 3XC, let's keep on waiting. But at this stage, I would, you know, I would almost write this off as a, you know, as a dying platform. And you know, we have to move on. We have to go and look for other opportunities. So hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully Leon is going to come back, 3XC is going to come back. But at this particular stage, as I'm talking to you guys, we have to assume that 3XC might be gone, which is again the nature of this game. We're playing with crypto, we're playing with risky assets. But yeah, I mean, it's fairly sad to end this way. Again, 3XC has been my best platform this year, so I guess I didn't want it to come to an end. I made 3K out of this, 1K profit. But again, I mean, it's not just about me, it's about people behind me, it's about people investing or people who just invested, and yeah, it's a bit sad to come to this conclusion. So I will keep you guys posted. Hopefully I'm wrong, fingers crossed. I will keep you guys posted. But yeah, when something is good, I have to let you guys know. When something is not good and the signs are there that it might die an early death, I have to also let you guys know as well. This is Frankie, and hopefully I come back sometime this week with better news. Take care.